If you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths, rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. John D. Rockefeller. Welcome to my channel, where we dive into the world of finance and explore the secrets to building wealth. In this video, we'll unlock the 7 proven secrets to make your money work for you, inspired by the legendary John D. Rockefeller. Secret 1. Save money where you can. Our first secret is a fundamental principle that Rockefeller lived by: save money where you can. Imagine this: Rockefeller, a master of frugality, recognized the impact of every penny. He took it a step further by carrying a pocket-sized notebook where he meticulously documented every expense, whether big or small. This visual representation of his spending habits served as a powerful tool, highlighting the importance of conscious spending and the potential for significant future gains. Secret 2. Invest in yourself. Let's delve deeper into the second secret: invest in yourself. John D. Rockefeller's philosophy was rooted in the belief that continuous self-improvement is the key to unlocking the greatest return. He understood that personal development is an investment that pays dividends in the long run. Rockefeller's commitment to education and self-enrichment was remarkable. He wasn't content with the status quo, but sought out opportunities to expand his knowledge. Whether through books, courses, or networking with experts, he voraciously absorbed information relevant to his endeavors. This dedication to self-improvement wasn't merely an abstract principle for Rockefeller. It was a tangible strategy. His well-informed decisions, shaped by a deep understanding of various industries, allowed him to navigate the complex world of finance with confidence. In practical terms, consider allocating time and resources to broaden your skill set. Attend workshops, read industry journals, and stay informed about the latest trends. The returns on investing in your own knowledge and capabilities can be substantial, just as Rockefeller experienced in his own journey to wealth. Secret 3. Take risk. Now, let's delve into the third secret: take risks. John D. Rockefeller wasn't a reckless gambler. Instead, he was a calculated risk-taker. He understood that success often involves stepping into uncharted territory. Rockefeller meticulously assessed potential risks before making decisions, ensuring that each venture was a well-thought-out strategic move rather than a blind leap of faith. Rockefeller's willingness to take calculated risks in his business ventures set him apart. Whether it was expanding into new markets or pioneering innovative approaches, his strategic risk-taking paid off handsomely. This underlines a crucial lesson for anyone navigating the world of investing: calculated risks, when approached with careful consideration, can lead to significant rewards. To implement this secret in your financial journey, conduct thorough research, assess potential outcomes, and be prepared for uncertainties. By embracing calculated risks, you open the door to opportunities that can contribute substantially to your financial success. Remember, it's not about avoiding risks altogether, but about navigating them wisely. Secret 4. Diversify your investments. Now, let's delve deeper into the fourth secret: diversify your investments. John D. Rockefeller was a master of risk management, understanding that putting all your eggs in one basket could be a recipe for disaster. To mitigate risks and ensure sustained growth, Rockefeller strategically spread his wealth across various industries. Imagine his financial portfolio as a well-balanced ecosystem. He invested in oil, a cornerstone of his wealth, but he didn't stop there. Recognizing the potential pitfalls of industry-specific downturns, he diversified into sectors like railroad and banking. For instance, while the oil industry was thriving, the railroad and banking sectors acted as stabilizers during times of economic turbulence in the oil market. This diversification strategy wasn't just about chasing trends, it was a calculated approach to safeguarding his wealth against the unpredictable fluctuations of individual markets. By diversifying his investments, Rockefeller created a resilient financial foundation. It wasn't merely about chasing multiple opportunities. It was about strategically positioning himself to weather the storms and capitalize on the successes of various industries. In applying Rockefeller's principle of diversification, consider spreading your investments across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps even some alternative investments. This way, you'll be better equipped to handle the uncertainties of the market, ensuring that the success of one sector can offset the challenges in another. So, remember, diversification isn't just a strategy, it's a safeguard against the inherent volatility of financial markets, a key principle that played a crucial role in Rockefeller's ability to maintain and grow his fortune. Now, let's move on to the next secret in our journey to making your money work for you. Secret 5. Have a long-term mindset. Now, let's delve deeper into the fifth secret. Have a long-term mindset. John D. Rockefeller's success wasn't built on shortcuts or quick gains. Instead, he embraced a profound understanding that building substantial wealth demands time, patience, and a steadfast commitment to long-term goals. Rockefeller's approach was akin to planting seeds for a mighty oak rather than chasing the fleeting excitement of a sapling. By prioritizing sustained growth over immediate gratification, he laid the foundation for a financial legacy that endured the test of time. Imagine your financial journey as a marathon, not a sprint. Rockefeller's philosophy encourages us to resist the allure of rapid successes that might not be sustainable. Instead, he prompts us to nurture a vision that spans years and decades, recognizing that enduring wealth is cultivated gradually, like a well-tended garden. This long-term mindset isn't just about waiting, it's about strategic planning, consistent effort, and making decisions today that align with your future aspirations. Whether it's investing in appreciating assets, fostering valuable relationships, or continuously enhancing your skills, the dividends of these efforts compound over time, creating a robust financial portfolio. So, as you navigate your financial path, remember Rockefeller's wisdom: success is a journey, not a destination. By embracing a long-term mindset, you're not just building wealth, you're cultivating a legacy that will resonate for generations to come. Now, let's move forward with this valuable insight into the remaining secrets. Secret 6. Leverage your network. Now, let's delve deeper into the sixth secret: leverage your network. In the complex landscape of the business world, the value of connections cannot be overstated. John D. Rockefeller was a master at building and nurturing strong relationships, understanding that who you know can be just as crucial as what you know. Rockefeller's network wasn't just a collection of business associates, it was a web of trust and mutual benefit. He actively sought to connect with influential individuals, industry leaders, and decision-makers. By doing so, he gained insights, opportunities, and support that were instrumental in his personal and professional achievements. Imagine this: when faced with a challenge or seeking new opportunities, Rockefeller could tap into his network for advice, collaboration, or even financial backing. His ability to foster meaningful connections allowed him to navigate the complexities of the business world with greater ease. This principle isn't just about collecting business cards or LinkedIn connections, it's about cultivating genuine relationships. Rockefeller took the time to understand the needs and aspirations of those in his network. In return, he could call upon them when necessary, creating a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefited. So, the next time you attend a networking event or engage with industry peers, remember Rockefeller's sixth secret. Building a strong network isn't just a means to an end, it's an ongoing process that, when done authentically, can open doors, provide valuable insights, and play a pivotal role in your own personal and professional journey. In the dynamic world of finance, leverage your network wisely and watch as your sphere of influence expands, just as it did for John D. Rockefeller. Secret 7. Give back. Now, let's delve deeper into the seventh and final secret: give back. John D. Rockefeller's philanthropic endeavors were not merely an afterthought, but a cornerstone of his wealth-building philosophy. He firmly believed in using his prosperity to benefit society and create a lasting legacy. Rockefeller's commitment to giving back was evident in his establishment of foundations dedicated to various causes. These foundations were not just about writing checks, they were strategic and impactful. By contributing to education, public health, and scientific research, he aimed to create positive, long-lasting change in the world. His approach to philanthropy went beyond financial contributions. Rockefeller actively participated in the causes he supported, leveraging not just his wealth, but also his influence and expertise. This multifaceted engagement reinforced the idea that true wealth is not just measured in dollars, but in the positive impact it has on the lives of others. By incorporating the give-backs principle into your financial strategy, you not only contribute to the betterment of society, but also create a legacy that extends beyond your monetary achievements. Whether through supporting education, healthcare, or environmental initiatives, finding a cause that resonates with you allows your wealth to be a force for good in the world. As we wrap up this exploration of John D. Rockefeller's secrets, remember that building wealth isn't just about accumulating riches for personal gain. It's about creating a meaningful and lasting impact on the world around you. Consider how you can integrate philanthropy into your financial journey, and in doing so, contribute to a legacy that extends far beyond your lifetime. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of John D. Rockefeller's 7 secrets, remember that making your money work for you is a journey requiring discipline, strategy, and a commitment to both personal growth and societal impact. Stay tuned for more financial insights on this channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy investing!